Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a big statement on the violent line of actual control face-off at the end of 4-hour-long all-party meeting yesterday when he denied any Chinese incursion in eastern Ladakh. The Prime Minister said that the Chinese neither entered our territory nor has any post been taken over by them. Here's a look at the report that's coming in.
न वहां कोई हमारी सीमा में घुस आया है, न ही कोई घुसा हुआ है, न ही हमारी कोई पोस्ट किसी दूसरे के कब्जे में है.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi in one stroke rejects all charges of Chinese intrusion. Addressing the heads of all major political parties, Prime Minister Modi said, while India wants peace, the country will not compromise on sovereignty.
डिप्लोमेटिक माध्यमों से भी चीन को अपनी बात दो टूक स्पष्ट कर दी है. भारत पीस और फ्रेंडशिप चाहता है, लेकिन अपनी सॉवरेनिटी की रक्षा हमारे लिए सर्वोपरि है.
Prime Minister Modi also seemed to take a jibe at the Congress. He said tensions have increased on the LAC as there was heightened patrolling which was not there earlier.
अब हमारी पेट्रोलिंग की कैपेसिटी भी बढ़ गई है. पेट्रोलिंग बढ़ने की वजह से अब सतर्कता बढ़ी है और LAC पर हो रही गतिविधियों के बारे में भी समय पर पता चल रहा है. जिन क्षेत्रों पर पहले बहुत नजर नहीं रहती थी, अब वहां भी हमारे जवान अच्छी तरह से मॉनिटर कर पा रहे हैं.
The PM's statement, however, seems to contradict the MEA. On June 17th, the Ministry of External Affairs, in its statement, said that the Chinese side sought to erect a structure in Galwan Valley on Indian side of the LAC.
While it was our expectation that this would unfold smoothly, the Chinese side departed from the consensus to respect the LAC in the Galwan Valley.
The Prime Minister's counter-strike came after a 5-hour-long meet where all regional parties backed the government. Congress President Sonia Gandhi, however, raised questions over the alleged transgression and accused the government of keeping the nation in the dark.
आक्रोशित है.
Now with the Prime Minister denying any incursion outright, his statement has raised more questions than answers. With Rahul Srivastav, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.